These are really small ravioli. Each of the fillings is around a 1/2 inch wide. You can alternate the fillings so they're even, and then I leave around a 1/2 inch space in between the fillings. Then I fold over the other sheet and seal the edges first, not pressing the middle at all yet. After you seal the edges, I like to use the flat side of a 3/4 inch round cutter to press the air out around the ravioli. And then if you have them spaced out evenly, you can make one line lengthwise and you can make one line widthwise. I like to use a fluted cutter for this, and you can make all the raviolis very even with this method.